Hello, my name is Sean McBride. I'm a trainer for Chevron Training, and what I'm going to do now is show you the typical water meter installation. You can see here I've got 4 various meters in front of me. This one is an under sink water meter. These are dial meters which will be fitted and installed in these meter boxes here, 1, 2 and 3. The typical one you're going to see is the stadium water meter box. To my left and my right are various ones that could come on the market. They're telescopic water meter boxes. These are all fitted underground. Now, this is a typical stopcock that you will be replacing, which will mean that the ground will have to be excavated. When they excavate the ground, you're going to introduce this meter in replacement of this stopcock. This is the pipe you're going to see is a PE pipe, one there. The various tools you're going to need, your cutters and your deburring tool and some lubricant. What we have to do on the first stage is cut the pipe cleanly and straight. We now introduce a burring tool. The burring tool now, what it does, it chamfers the pipe like so and gives a lovely chamfer here around it. You also make sure that it's not burred or anything on the inside of it. When you've done that, you introduce now your insert, making sure that the insert's fully home. You now bring in some lubricant. It's just an easy guide into the meter box. This is your meter box location here. Checking the direction of your meter box, you have arrow locations here on left and right of it. This is your inlet side, which we introduce, push and twist to make sure and feel that it's secure. This pipe cannot be removed unless you use these guide tools. When you've done that, you've opened up the lid. You now remove and keep this frost protection pad. Very important that this is instructed and refitted after use. Leave that clean and to one side. Now inside your meter box, you have a valve and a blank head. Okay. You make sure that the blank head is closed. Now you open up your water valve. What this does is it flushes out any debris that was in the old pipe, and you're not introducing debris into the householder's incoming water mains. And it can also damage the water meter. When you've done that, you now remove the blank cap inside the meter box. That is the blank cap that's inside. These meters here that I have in front of me may be selected to be introduced into these meter boxes. It has a 2-inch thread, which is here, and a seal ring. You now bring in some PTFE tape. What this does, it gives some packing on the thread and some sort of proper sealant. It's not a lot, a couple of runs, because you also have a rubber bung here. You now bring your valve down into the meter box, securing it inside on the valve body. When that is done, then you hand back in and introduce water slowly into the premises where it's been delivered to. Now getting your frost pad, introduce it back into the meter valve box, bringing the lid and securing it fully. When the project is finished and various pipe work, this is what it will look like underneath the ground. The pipes have to enter straight and exit straight. Again, the lid, the pad, and your meter. And that's the introduction on the installation of a water meter. Thank you.